So to get YouTube TV unlimited streams on any devices, you want to have the YouTube TV base plan and then the 4K plus plan. Right here at the YouTube TV homepage, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click right here on the shop icon, which will open up this networks and add-ons. And then on the 4K plus, you want to click on it. And as you can see, you have to pay for the base plan of YouTube TV and also the 4K plus. Right now, the 4K plus price is around $5 per month. And then you can just click on next to complete your purchase with your credit or debit card or even your PayPal. And after you buy the 4K plus plan, you will get the unlimited concurrent streams at home, which means that you can sign in and then stream on YouTube TV with one account on unlimited devices, as long as the device is connected to your home Wi-Fi. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to get YouTube TV unlimited streams on any devices. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.